All right. Well, it's kind of a pretty evening out. Oh, look at this. We've got some visitors. Yeah. We've got some visitors over here in the front yard. Oh, yeah. There they go across the road. Oh, yeah. Look at those girls. Oh, yeah. That's more than girls, I think. No, that's all ladies. All right. Hey, ladies. What you doing? You guys just out grazing a little bit, getting some suppers? All right. Well then, nice little herd of elk in the yard. That's pretty cool. Well, it is. And this here's another minute. You'll never get back. Peace.